The last things that we need to implement are the restore names and the remove digits at the end. So we'll start with the restore names, and this is going to be very simple. So for node in self.nodes, so for every one of these nodes, we want to node set name, and same thing that we did here, self node names node. So we get the value of this dictionary for this key, and this is the key. Instead of having this signal here, so when we restore names and then close, instead of having it here to keep it cleaner, we can call the self close here. So now we need to modify the rename method to remove the trailing digits. So to do that, I want to create another method here called remove digits, and this will accept a string. Oh, it's called text, just text. So any text that we input here, this method will return the same without the digits at the end. So we want to create a filtered version of this text. So when we start, the text is as is. We haven't removed anything. So what we want to look for are numbers. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and underscore, because if we have underscore and digit, we want to remove both the underscore and the digits. So this is what we want to look for. So for every letter in text, so for every letter that this text has, we want to check the last character. So last will be filtered so this gives me only the last character of this string. So if last is in numbers, if this is true, we want to remove the last from the filtered. So it will run for every letter, and if it finds a digit at the end, we will remove it. So filtered equals filtered -1. So this is string slicing. So I will in here I will start from the beginning until the last one. So I will trim the last one. So this is the new filtered, and we will do that until this is not true. And if this is not true, we will break the loop. So it will loop and remove, and when the last character is not in here, we will break. So now we will return filtered. So we will use this in our remove function, in our rename function, sorry. So we want to check if the checkbox is checked. So checked equals self.remDig.is checked. This will give me true if this is checked and false if it's not checked. So if this is checked, so this is true, modified name will be the modified name after we pass it through this method. So self remove digits modified name. So this will only be executed if we check that. So this is what we needed here, and I forgot the 0 in here. Yeah. And one more thing, yes, I want to add the prefix and the suffix, the last thing. So we want to remove the digits and then add prefix and the suffix, so we don't remove any digits that we add in the suffix. So this should be correct now. Okay, so let's select it, rename, and let's test it. So I want to replace control with ctrl. I want to remove the digits, and as you can see, it adds this 1, 2, 3 because we had the unique name flag. I want to add some, I don't know, for example, leg, and it adds this here, or we can underscore leg, and it works. Okay, if we remove this, we keep the name and we add the suffix, so it looks like this is correct. Yeah, everything is working fine. So that's it. So in the next lesson will be the last one, and we will make a few adjustments here and there, and the tool will be completed. So see you there. Bye bye.